Hi, I'm Michael, and welcome to this new tutorial video series on the Parrot Mambo FPV. In this video, we'll unbox the Mambo FPV, the first easy-to-pilot mini drone made for immersive flights. Let's get started. First, you'll find the quick start guide with all the information you need for your first flight. Then, you'll find the mini drones with the 4 bumpers attached to it which prevent the propellers from hitting anything. You can get rid of them if you want to save some battery life, but I advise you keep them for the first few flights. At the bottom of the box, we have the remote, the Parrot FlyPad, that allows you to fly precisely without your smartphone. On top, we have the battery, which gives the Mambo FPV up to 10 minutes of flying time. Here's the HD camera made exclusively for the Parrot Mambo FPV. It can record in 720p at 30 frames per second. We also have the USB cable, which is used to charge and update your drone. Finally, we have the goggles, the Parrot Cockpit glasses 2. Using it in conjunction with your smartphone allows you to fly in a fully immersive view. In this video, I'll show you how to connect the camera and the remote to your mini drone and how to set up for your first flight. Download the application FreeFlight Mini on your smartphone or tablet. Check that your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are activated. Next step, getting the Mambo ready. Insert the battery at the back of the drone. Its eyes will light up and flash green. Place the FPV camera on the contact located at the top of the drone. Once it's been successfully installed, the LED light will stop flashing. Start the application FreeFlight Mini and your Mambo will appear in the list of drones. All you need to do now is to select it. The drone will appear with the cam detected. The application takes you to the Wi-Fi settings on your smartphone. Choose the Mambo in your list of Wi-Fi networks available. Once you have connected, go back to the application. If there's an update, your drone may have to update. If that's the case, install the most recent update and wait for the update to complete. Do not touch your smartphone during the update. Once the update's finished, the drone will restart to launch the updated version. There will be a timer, and at the end of the timer, the application will ask you if you want to restart your drone. Press OK. Once your drone has restarted, your drone will flash orange, which means it is still installing the update. You'll know the update was successful once the Mambo flashes green. It's now the camera's turn to update. The LED of the camera will flash, which marks the start of the update. Once it's successfully updated, it will stop flashing. When everything's been updated, you will be redirected to the Wi-Fi settings on your phone to reconnect to your Mambo. After a few seconds, you'll see a live streaming video on the screen of your phone. All you have to do now is press start to start flying your drone. You can also fly your Mambo with a FlyPad. Start your FlyPad by pressing the Parrot logo. Note, the FlyPad connects automatically. Now you know how to fly your drone. Take the next step by mastering the different FPV piloting modes in our next and last tutorial video.
Parrot Bebop 2 is your state-of-the-art compact video drone. And now, we're making it even better. Follow Me mode is the next evolution, filming your most intense life moments the way you've never done before.